Here, you want some chocolate milk?
Okay, now we'll put some more in. Put these strings in first, and then put another.
You like it?
That's just good.
Yeah?
Good to get us started.
Yeah? Alright, well hold on, let me get your blankie to prop it up. Okay, hang on, ready? 1, 2, 3. Don't cover up the face. Hold on, so I can move your hand.
No expert. That's fine. How long does it take?
Woohoo! He likes chocolate milk.
Little boy, yeah,
Cool.
well, in probably 15 minutes.
Okay, cool. Turn it up like that, bud. Hold on.
Starts to produce maple syrup. Well, looks like something's going on here, Jerry.
There you go.
Here,
Cool.
while we test it, this is a
Well, it's official. Michael likes chocolate milk.
hydrometer. What's it do?